man, I can't friggin' see. Oh yeah, shuffle. That is one good looking bike. Oh, okay, alright. Woohoo! G'day guys, I'm Black Jack and welcome to another moto vlog. Today we are out in the Tullabudgera Valley. This is where I taught myself how to ride when I first started. But it's a little bit wet today, so we'll have to be careful. So we've just come out of an 8-day lockdown here on the coast, which comparatively isn't that bad. Places like Sydney and the rest of Australia, they're going through a really tough time at the moment. I think Sydney's having like 200 or 300 cases a day, and they've been locked down for about a month. But I've been fanging for a ride the whole time I've been in lockdown, and today I get the chance. Wow, look at that! Alrighty, let's kick it. Woo! I tell you what, I learned to ride on these roads and they're still just as good today. This is the route that I take all the bikes on when I review them. You know, and I've taken a few out here, and I have to tell you, if I had to choose one bike, it would be the Ninja. Yep, here it comes. It feels like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain. Oh man, I can't friggin' see. Look, I had to stop here for a second. Where I want to show you is at the end of this road, but look at this. I'm going to send up the drone real quick and get some shots because this is freaking beautiful. Apparently if you go up that way you can follow a trail and find a waterfall, but I think it's quite a long way, so we ain't gonna do that. Oh! God damn. That is one good looking bike. It's quiet today, no one around. Here's a fun fact. I've dislocated a shoulder while skimming a rock. Still pretty good at it though. God, sometimes I swear I'm just awestruck by that bike. Okay, I am going to set up and take a picture for the thumbnail. And then we're going to head up to a place called Trees Road, because it's a little stretch of road that I really want to show you guys. One of the best on the coast, I reckon. And look, it's on top of a mountain, so it's pretty cool for flying the drone. The road there, though, is really dangerous. It's called Syndicate Road. Oh, god damn it. Also, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but can you see that the tarmac is sort of etched here? It's very, very dangerous for motorcycle tires, because if you're in a corner like this and you're going too fast, you can really easily slip out. See that? I think it's caused from rain, but I'm not sure, but it's very, very dangerous for us. Whoa, gosh. Dodging left, right, and center out here. Wow, you can really see the edges here. I'm going to slow down. I have to turn here anyway, but that's what I mean by those edges. Oh, jeez, that was a fucking massive pothole. Okay, Syndicate Road. This one is a bit challenging. Hopefully there's no new potholes. Real tight turns. To get in there, and oh yeah, shafuka. Oh, that's nice. Ah, fuck, not that nice. Woo. Sorry, I can't help it. There we go. Okay. This is the top of Trees Road. Bit of a hidden gem, really. Have a look at that. Get a look at that. You got Surface, Broadbeach, you got Coolangatta, and the beautiful hinterland. Yeah, so unfortunately we couldn't stop and take any drone shots from up there, because one of the locals that wasn't so friendly threatened to call the police on me for stopping on a piece of grass just like this, not on, near his property. So I'm not going to start any drama. I don't want to deal with people like that. It's not worth it. So we'll move on. I'll include what he said in the outtakes. And it wasn't very friendly, so spoiler alert, if you're going to ride a motorbike, some people are just not going to like you. you have it, guys. My GoPro has pretty much died on me, but I think that spot was absolutely phenomenal. Thank you so much for following along with this motovlog. I'll leave that outtake of the guy having a go at me now. And until next week, we'll see you soon. Bye. G'day, mate.
It's a nature strip, mate. No stopping or parking.
Can't stop there?
It's a nature strip. No stopping or parking.
Alright. So, you're right if I stop it here?
You're going to stop on the road, are you? We'll send the police for no stopping.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Why don't you fuck off with your loud motorbike somewhere else?
Alright. Can be nice about it.